Hi everyone, welcome back. Hope you all are doing well. Today gonna share a very popular snack that's super crispy from outside, as you can hear it. And it's extremely delicious from inside. Yes, it's Alu Samosa or potato samosa. Let's learn how to make traditional Alu Samosa at home in a very simple way. Hope you like this video. Keep watching. To make this samosa we require 3 cups of all-purpose flour, that's maida, then half a teaspoon of carom seeds, that's ajwain. Do not add too much. Then 1-2 teaspoon of oil, salt as per taste. Now mix all well. When we mix the oil to the flour, it gets well coated and gives a crispy texture to the samosas once it's fried. Now add little water at a time, and then we're gonna knead the flour to form a stiff dough. Remember, do not make a sticky dough, otherwise the samosas won't turn good. Hence form a stiff dough, as you can see. And once the dough is formed, add little oil, say around 1 teaspoon, and then apply it all over the dough. This step won't allow the dough to dry, and then we need to cover and leave it to rest for 15 to 20 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare the potato masala or aloo masala, that's the stuffing. For that I have boiled 4 medium-sized potatoes with little salt, and once potato cools down, then peel off the skin. Then we're gonna scramble these potatoes. You may also chop it into small cubes. However, I like to do it in this way. So with a clean hand, just crush them and scramble it. Once the potatoes are crushed well, then we proceed ahead in preparing the masala. To prepare aloo masala, we require the following ingredients. That's handful of finely chopped coriander leaves or dhaniya patta, 3 to 4 green chillies or hari mirch that's finely chopped, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic or adrak lehsun ka paste, half lemon juice, and salt as per taste. And these are the spice powders, that includes half a teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder, 1 teaspoon of red chilli or lal mirch powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander or dhaniya powder, and half a teaspoon of chaat masala. Now mix all these spices together, and then we're going to add little water and then form a paste. The reason why we are making a paste we'll see later. And finally require a pinch of Asafetida, that's heeng. Let's prepare the masala. For that, into a wide pan add 1 tablespoon of oil and allow the oil to heat up. Then add cumin seeds and allow it to splutter. And once you see the cumin seeds have spluttered and started changing color slightly, add the green chilies and then saute it. Now add ginger garlic paste and saute well until raw aroma goes away. Keep the flame on low, and then we're going to add Asafetida or heeng, that's just a pinch, and then saute for a second. And then we're going to add the spice paste and saute it for a few seconds. The reason I added water in the spices is it won't burn and it will evenly cook. Hence, whenever you want to add spices directly to oil, just add little water and the spice won't burn. Now add the chopped coriander leaves and give it a quick mix. And then we're going to add the potatoes. So add in the potatoes and mix it well. Mix well so that all spices are well combined with potatoes. And then we're going to add salt and mix well again. Finally add lemon juice and then give a good mix. This juice will give a nice fresh taste and flavor to samosas. Our potato masala or aloo masala is ready. Now let's get back to the dough that's been resting for a while. Take the dough and then roll it, as we're going to divide it into medium-sized balls. You may adjust the size according to your preference. Here I'm gonna make medium-sized samosas, so we'll be taking the portions accordingly. Normally the regular eating size is the medium size, and for making chaats we require the bigger size. So here I'm gonna make a portion that will make medium size samosas. So roll it between your palms and form medium sized balls. Now continue making portions. From 3 cups of flour I made 6 portions of dough and was able to get 12 samosas. Now take one part of dough and then roll it to form a small circle. You may apply flour if required. Once you see the circle, now we're gonna make it into an oval shape. So roll it up and down and you'll get a nice oval shape, as you can see. Now with a knife, just cut from the center and we're gonna keep one part aside and we'll make samosa from the other one. See how well it is rolled? Now take water and apply little water all over the edges. To get a perfect samosa shape, take one side and bring it to the center and press it. Then take the another side and then overlap it. And then gently turn the triangle and you can see a nice halo is formed. It's like a cone. Now just press the overlapped edges and then we're gonna stuff it. So now put the stuffings and then we're gonna seal the edges as shown. Bring both the edges together and then press it. Ensure it's sealed well. As you can see, all the edges are sealed. And then we're gonna hold it upright and bend it slightly. And that's it. A perfect samosa is ready. You can make it stand and start preparing the remaining samosas. See how perfectly it's made. Let me show again. After applying water on the edges, form a triangular shape by bringing both the sides together, one over the other, and then hold it in a cone form. And then fill in the stuffing. Press it well. And then finally seal the edges. And then slightly bend it. And that's it. Isn't it very easy to make? Similarly make all the samosas and then we proceed with frying them. Heat up sufficient oil on a medium-low flame. Then drop a pinch of dough. When it slowly raises up, it's a perfect temperature, ideally 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Now drop the samosas gently into the oil and then we're gonna deep fry them until it turns light golden brown in color. Once you see the tiny bubbles on the surface of the samosas, at this stage flip it over. If you fry the samosas in a very hot oil, the samosas will burn from outside and will not cook evenly from inside. Hence, right temperature is a must while frying the samosas. Now gently flip the samosas 2 to 3 times ideally on each side at regular intervals. Look at it, how beautiful the samosas look, and it's super flavorful. Now samosas are ready. So strain it from the oil. And then we're gonna fry the remaining samosas. Here I was able to make around 12 medium-sized samosas as I fried it in 2 batches. Now frying the second batch. Samosas are almost everyone's favorite snack all over the world. The best samosa is the one which is crispy from outside and also delicious from inside. There are different ways of preparing the stuffing as many make based on their local ingredients and taste. Hence you can adjust the spices or stuffings as per your taste. Look at it. A super crispy and a delicious samosa is absolutely ready. It's very crispy from outside and it tastes super awesome from inside. Look at the stuffing. It's really tasty. So do try this simple and delicious aloo samosa at home and enjoy it along with tea or coffee. Hope you like this recipe. If so, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. and also like and share it. Soon we'll be coming up with another interesting recipe. Until then, take care of yourself. Happy cooking. Bye bye.